launched its most affordable flagship smartphone, the GT6. We got our hands on the device and we will tell you everything about it, from the battery to display to the design. So stay tuned. The Realme GT6 is available in two colors, the fluid silver and razor green, and both of them look quite eye-catching. The smartphone is equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset and comes with a 6000 nit ultra bright display and Sony LYT 808 OIS camera. Realme has also introduced Next AI for an enhanced user experience. Coming to the battery, it has a 120 watt SUPERVOOC charging and 5500 mAh massive battery. Realme claims that the phone can get 50% battery in just 10 minutes. If this is true, it would be really helpful on days when you need a quick charge in a short span of time. Anyway, we will be testing it in our review soon. Lastly, talking about the price, the 8GB plus 256GB variant is priced at Rs 35,999. The 12GB plus 256GB variant is priced at Rs 38,999 and the 16GB plus 512GB variant is priced at Rs 39,999. The Realme GT6 is available for pre-order from 20th June to 24th June on realme.com, Flipkart and mainline stores. That's all for today. We are bringing you more videos and a detailed review of the device very soon. So stay tuned. So what do you think about this phone? Do tell us and stay tuned because we are bringing a detailed review very soon.